Hello Beshi, so for today's video we're going to make a DIY 2-layer candy cake. So if you don't have enough money to buy a cake for your special day, this DIY is perfect for you. So for this DIY Beshi, we're going to have a lot of candy. So as you can see, I have here a different kinds of candy, including a wafer. And our theme for this cake is a red and pink color, which is one of the favorite color of my sister. So let's start. And now we're going to make the second layer and make sure that the second layer is quite smaller than our first layer. And now we're going to prepare the base part of our first and the second layer. Now let's go to my favorite part, which is we need to put the biscuits in our base. So as you can see, I am putting the glue in the back part of the biscuits, and let's do this until we cover the first layer. We're finished with the first layer, and we're going to do that same thing with the second layer, and I am using this chocolate candy for the second layer. And now we're finished covering our first and the second layer, and as you can see, there's still gaps between the layers, the two layers, and we're going to fill it with small candies like what I'm doing in the video. And since I have here a pretty lollipop, we will be using that as a decoration in our candy cake. Just like a real cake with its icing, I have here a lollipop in a candy cake. So as you can see, the top part of our candy cake is still empty, so we're going to put the golden coin to make it more attractive and to make it more beautiful.